Morning, auntie. What's that, auntie?
Yes, go plant.
Huh? What is this? What nut is that?
Food.
Food?
Yes.
That's the... It's cashew?
Yes.
It's not cashew, but how much?
How much? 5 cedi.
5 CD?
Yes.
Let me try. What nuts is this, auntie?
This is the plantain, no plantain.
Ah?
Yes.
What do you call for this?
D-bod.
D-bot?
Yes.
But this one you can eat it, huh?
I eat. This one is. They eat this one.
What's that?
What?
It's nice?
Yes. The body is good.
Good. Okay.
This one.
It's okay. Give me 5 CDs. So I don't know what's the name of this.
D-bod.
D-bod?
Oh. Where am I friend bro for anytime?
The jack, I don't know. It's okay. I think I know the name, but I don't. Yes. It's 5 CDs, auntie. Yeah?
Yes.
It's my first time. Okay. Merasi, auntie.
Thank you.
May nakita lang tayong pwedeng i-content doon. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan nito. Pero para siyang nilagang buto ng ano, ng langka or buto ng marang. Hindi ko alam kung buto ng marang. Parang cashew siya. Hindi. Chestnut pala. Yun. Hindi cashew. Yun ang sinasabi ko. Parang chestnut. So, itatry natin ito. Hindi ko alam kung nilagyan ni auntie ng salt. Or hindi. Hindi ko naman masarap. Ibibigay ko kay Del. Ito siya. Black seed. Nilaga lang siya. Something to try here in Ghana kasi. Kasi first time ko makakita. Parang sa Pinas lang naman, nilagang buto ng ano. Maalat siya. Ayan. Buto siya ng parang langka. Buto ng langka. Pero wala namang langka dito. Ayan. Maalat siya. Pero okay lang. Something to try lang naman dito sa Ghana. Ayan. Maalat. Nilagyan ng asin. So, ayun lang. Kakainin ko na ito mamaya sa loob. Kasi masarap siya.